Hi, Josh with Motorcycle Adventure Therapy here with a unboxing today. Got a new helmet in. This is the Arai XD4, but it's the 30th anniversary edition Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports helmet to match the motorcycle, which I actually just acquired last week. So I decided to get. I've been looking at an Arai XD4 helmet for a while, and when I saw they had this special edition one out to match the bike, I decided to order one and take a look and see what it looks like. So here we go with the unboxing of the Arai XD4 Honda 30th Anniversary Edition to match the Africa Twin Adventure Sports motorcycle. So let's take a look and see what we got in the box. Pretty nice Honda box here. And looks like inside we got a little bit of packaging. A nice, oh, actually looks pretty good. So inside, got a nice bag to go with it. Okay, we'll put this side right now. All right, so they give you a nice kind of felt, it feels like a felt material bag. Red here. Let's see. Put it up just a little bit more here so we can slide her out. All right, here we go. Pretty nice finish. I like the colors. I like the scheme. It looks like it'll match the bike from what I can see here. Um, yeah, fit and finish looks pretty nice. Um, it is DOT and Snell rated, so got looks like a lot of venting. Real nice paint job and finish to it. I'm pretty impressed actually now that I got to see it up close here. And the graphics are pretty amazing. Should match the bike pretty perfect. So looking at the Arai XD4s, you know, they had pretty decent venting from the reviews that I read on them. Also, durability on them seemed pretty nice, fit and finish. I read up a little bit and found out that they do all of these helmets by hand at the Arai factory. So they're hand built, and it looks pretty stunning in person, I gotta say. Um, the visor, just flipping it up here, the detents on the visor feel very strong. Nice detents to get you a little air if you want to leave it cracked there. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice, I gotta say. So it's got brow vents I see up at the top here that open up. Yep, brow vents open up. Now this does not appear to have the pin lock system on the shield, but that's something I plan on ordering is the pin lock for this particular version, so I can put a tinted visor in it eventually. Um, but yeah, looks pretty nice. Nice venting. It's got a vent up at the front I can see. It's got two up near the top head portion right here with little click openers. Um, two brow vents. Looks like it's got two brow vents in the actual visor there, which is nice. So yeah, really nice, sharp looking helmet. Can't wait to see what it looks like with the motorcycle to match it there. So let's see what we got inside of the box here as far as parts. Okay, appears to have the owner's manual and looks like. Okay, so it looks like these are two little kind of close-offs for the visor. Should you choose to take them off, they just kind of, you know, go and finish the holes where the visor would be. So, but yeah, that's that looks like it. So yeah, this is it. The once again, this is the Arai XD4 and the 30th anniversary special edition colors. And man, it is a sharp looking helmet. Very nice. Once again, this is Josh with Motorcycle Adventure Therapy. This special unboxing here, and I guess I'll see you all in the next adventure.